Bad iron shots can make golf feel harder than it should. Welcome to my channel, where we're exploring the best golf irons for high handicapper players who need forgiveness, distance, and confidence. Check the links in the description and choose the irons that help your game feel easier. The number 5 product on our list is Gowolf Golf Iron. Most amateur golfers treat their long game like a fragile glass sculpture, terrified that one slight tremor will shatter their entire scorecard. That paralyzing fear of the dreaded sting on a mishit is exactly why so many players never break through their scoring ceiling. The Gowolf Golf Iron acts as a mechanical therapist for your swing, replacing that anxiety with a satisfying, explosive thud. While searching for the top-rated hardware for those still mastering their swing path, you often find clubs that feel like lead pipes. Gowolf flips the script with a hollow body architecture that turns every impact into raw velocity. The real magic lies in the deep CNC milled grooves and the 950 series steel shaft, which weighs a mere 95 grams. It solves the classic struggle of generating enough clubhead speed without losing control of the face angle. If you are someone who consistently strikes the toe or heel, the massive sweet spot provides a safety net that keeps the ball on a linear path toward the green. However, purists might find the thicker top line a bit chunky at address, and compared to something like a forged, tailor-made Stealth, the feedback is more muted. Yet for the weekend warrior seeking a relief from erratic distances, the vibration-dampening rubber grip makes a 4-hour round feel effortless. It is the ultimate upgrade for the golfer who wants to stop apologizing for their slice and start hunting pins. Stop fighting your equipment and let this engineering masterpiece turn your chaotic swings into predictable, towering arcs. At number 4 is Xinggm Golf Iron. Your scorecard is essentially a ledger of every time your clubhead dug too deep into the turf and stole your momentum. Most developing players struggle with that heavy, chunky contact that leaves the ball well short of the target, creating a cycle of frustration before you even reach the green. The Xinggm Golf Iron functions like a precision tool designed to glide rather than grind. By engineering a remarkably low center of gravity, combined with a wide sole, this club solves the common nightmare of fat shots. When looking for gear that supports those with a double-digit index, you need hardware that resists digging into the grass. The concave back design pushes the weight to the edges, creating a massive hitting zone that forgives your technical flaws. It features advanced QPQ technology for a rugged finish that survives seasons of hard use, while the CNC milled grooves provide the bite needed to stop the ball on firm surfaces. This is a perfect match for the budget-conscious player who refuses to sacrifice ball speed for a lower price tag. While the sound at impact is a bit more clicky compared to a premium Callaway Rogue, the sheer stability on off-center hits provides immense peace of mind. It is built for the golfer who is tired of watching their ball die in the fairway and wants to feel the thrill of a clean, sweeping launch. Trade your heavy divots for soaring flight paths and watch your weekend rounds transform into a showcase of effortless elevation. The third one on our list is Callaway Golf Iron. The silent assassin of a great golf game is not a bad swing, but the crushing weight of a club that punishes every minor mistake. Most players climbing the ranks feel like they are swinging a butter knife when they actually need a shield to protect their score from erratic strikes. Callaway Rogue ST Max OS irons function as a high-tech safety net for those who struggle with consistent launch and ball flight. By utilizing an oversized head shape and enhanced offset, these clubs naturally square the face at impact to eliminate the weak, fading shots that haunt your nightmares. The wide sole design acts as an insurance policy against thick contact, allowing the head to skip across the turf instead of burying itself. While searching for top-tier equipment for players with developing mechanics, you rarely find this level of sophisticated AI flash face technology. It is tailored for the golfer who wants maximum height and distance without having to swing like a professional. One drawback is that the larger profile might look intimidating to those who prefer a traditional slim aesthetic. When compared to the Ping G425, the Rogue offers a slightly more aggressive launch profile and a distinct, powerful sound that echoes across the links. This choice is for the dedicated enthusiast who is ready to replace frustration with the sheer joy of a towering, straight trajectory. Embrace the technology that bridges the gap between where you are and where you want to be. On number 2 is Yamato golf iron. The true heartbreak of a short game isn't just missing the cup, but the soul-crushing sound of a wedge blade clattering against the ball and sending it screaming across the green into the far bunker. Most players living in the high-scoring zone live in a constant state of chunk phobia, where they fear the turf more than the water hazard. The Yamato golf iron set, specifically these full-face wedges, acts as a surgical strike against that anxiety by extending the hitting surface to the very edge of the club. When you are scouting for equipment that supports those still refining their contact points, the usual suspects often have tiny sweet spots that punish anything off-center. These irons feature an aggressive groove pattern that spans the entire face, meaning a toe strike still bites the green with professional-grade spin. The leading edge is sculpted to glide rather than bite, effectively curing the fat shot epidemic that plagues so many weekend bags. While the premium forged construction offers a butter-soft feel that rivals a Titleist Vokey, the Yamato provides a much larger safety net for half the price. One slight trade-off is that the full-face grooves can look a bit busy at address for those used to minimalist designs. This is the ideal kit for the learner who needs a versatile tool for both high flops and low runners without the fear of a total misfire. Secure your peace of mind and let this engineered edge turn those nervous chips into tap-in pars. Now moving to the last one is Mazel golf iron. The single greatest lie in golf is that you need 13 different swings to master 13 different clubs. This mental clutter is exactly what keeps amateur scorecards bloated with double bogeys and unnecessary stress. Mazel golf irons shatter this tradition by offering a single-length architecture that allows you to use your favorite 7-iron stance for every single shot in the bag. While many searching for equipment to assist their developing game get lost in complex technical jargon, this set prioritizes a repeatable rhythm that builds muscle memory at record speed. The clubs feature a full hollow body design in the long irons, which significantly drops the center of gravity to help you launch the ball into the clouds without straining. Every face is precision CNC milled to ensure that your spin remains predictable, even when you catch one slightly off the toe. Compared to a standard set of Wilson launch pads, these offer a much more streamlined learning curve because your ball position never changes. A potential hurdle is the unique feel of a longer pitching wedge, which can take a few practice sessions to calibrate for touch shots around the green. However, the relief of finally knowing exactly where to stand before every swing is worth its weight in gold. These are perfect for the weekend player who wants to simplify the game and focus on the joy of a clean strike. Trade your bag of confusion for a bag of consistency and watch your confidence soar alongside your ball flight. So guys, this was the video about the best golf irons for high handicapper. We've carefully covered some of the best options available right now to help you make a smarter and more confident decision. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, value for money, or the latest features, this guide was designed to give you a clear and practical overview so you can pick what truly fits your needs. If any of the products we mentioned caught your interest, you'll find all the links conveniently placed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for more details, updated pricing, and availability. Taking a moment to explore those links can really help you choose the right option without any confusion. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating more useful and high-quality videos for you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.